All right guys, we're with Mercury Rising at a remote location because JR, our painter, is actually about a week behind from getting this thing to paint. So that is going to give us the ability to be the real enthusiasts that we are here at LMR. Now to date, including disassembly and the nut and bolting we've done thus far, we have about 160 hours of actual time from LMR employees. Now you're probably wondering what all this crazy blue painter's tape is all around this car. It's actually here for a reason. This is pinpointing any little note that needs to be addressed at this particular location on the car. So whether it be a rust area that JR needs to dedicate some time to, or we need to apply some seam seal, some caulking. Now we've done a lot of caulking and a lot of seam sealing because we want this car to be as solid as possible. At this point, we also did a ton of 5.0 resto hardware to get this thing ready for paint and get it as close to the factory as we could just before it does go off to paint, from whether it be your hood bumpers, your hood hinge cups, your hood hinges, door hinges, latches. If it was pretty much on the car there the way the factory had it, we put it on there as well.
So you gotta notify the painter to understand that, hey, I have to seam seal that door hinge after I've fitted and gapped and done everything to tighten the car.
Now while I'm on the subject of 5.0 resto hardware, our door hinges were completely reworked with new pins, roll pins, and retaining hardware to make sure these things function just like they did when this car rolled out of the factory. All right, now other than all the caulking and seam sealing we had to do to Mercury Rising, there are a lot of holes still to fill. Of course, we're gonna have to roll our rear fender lips here to fit the killer wheels we're gonna throw on this car. It is gonna roll to JRs with the front and rear bumpers on it, as well as the subframes we still gotta weld on because the entire underbody of the car is gonna be the same color as the exterior itself. So we got a lot of work to do. We're gonna jump back on this thing, and the next time you guys see Mercury Rising, it'll be rolling out of the trailer at JR's.